Alright. NASCAR race is getting ready to start. So I thought we'd do the gentleman starts your engine here. So, just doing the national anthem right now. Although the car is still the same. See, but it's still tied down. Mustang over there. Don't wear it out too much now, girl.
Our flyover today by 4 F-16s from the 482nd Fighter Wing at Homestead Air Reserve Base as we get set for the final race of 2009, the Ford 400, coming up on MRN.
So it's coming up after the break. Okay, so while the break is on, we can talk about this car now. Okay, as you know, I made videos the other day from the tractor pull thing, burnouts and stuff. I got tempted to do a burnout with this by putting the emergency brake on. It spun tires a little bit, but nothing compared to those muscle cars. It had nothing whatsoever. I attempted it, but later it didn't work. So later, I was following my uncle, the one from Nova down the road, and I reached a new top speed with this car. I got it all the way up to 95, almost 100. So, sweet. Felt pretty good going that fast. But everything's still the same in here. See, it's tied down, way down here, and the back of this thing is still the same. So, everything's still the same there. They do with the Mustang across the street. So we're just waiting. Now this is not a cold start. I wish it was. But the race to come on later today. So I had to move it to get Dad out of here. So my car was in front. Otherwise it would have been a cold start. So I haven't really drove anywhere. So I guess it could be not a cold start. But it is still cold. But it'll be a less cold start. How about that? My redneck thing here to stop the leak that's up there.
Don't assume it'll work out. Don't assume anything. There's too much at stake.
Oh boy.
Accidents happen in a blink of an eye.
I think the hood will actually fly up, but going 95 miles an hour, it stayed down pretty good. Oh, and actually this speaker stopped working. Now it only comes out of 1, 2 back there, and 3 over there. So, but better than ready than no ready, I always say. As long as we got something. And sorry to send this thing like right in front of his stupid son. I got this down so we can that wasn't it. That's not the one we want to hear. That's what it's supposed to be said, but that wasn't the actual one. Yeah, that's my aunt's thing. It's now expired. I use it like once every 2 months or so. Everybody decided to get up leaves today. Except for me. I could care less. Wish that they start posting the sign saying they're going to pick them up by the curb. Then we can just blow them all that way. They for good brown, so I got a couple while I was parked over there in his usual spot. Since Mom's not here this weekend, I get the driveway. Isn't that awesome? Yeah. That tractor pull was sweet. You got the word. We got a minute left. 1 minute, 60 seconds. So, it's probably a 6-minute video. I'm gonna leave the door open so I can get the sound effects because the car's got quiet. Jimmy Johnson's gonna take the win, by the way, probably. Track pool was awesome. Didn't get to ride Nova, and I was getting ready to film the Nova being started, so y'all can hear what it sounds like. But it would have been a cold start, but the camera ran out of batteries. So the camera's not actually fully charged right now either, but it should be enough power to do this video. So we're just waiting for the man, with everybody else. So 43 and this guy right here can crank him up one more time. Well, I'll have a job for the rest of the year, maybe longer. But these NASCAR guys are gonna get one more shot, one more season, so they pack him up for another year. Well, has it been a minute yet? Oh, got a lot going by. Here we go.
Are you ready? The time is now. It's time for those most famous words in motorsports. Here to give the command, please welcome your Grand Ford Motor Company spokesman and creator and host of Dirty Jobs, Mike Rowe. If you start your day in steel-tip boots, a hard hat, or a top hat, so I'd say get ready to get dirty.
No, I'm just kidding.
We're going to do one more time. It goes like this. Gentlemen, start your engine! Yeah, there's the start engines.
That's sweet!
David Reagan and the number 6 Ford. What can Brown do for you?
Wow. Whoa.
Oh, yeah, they pull them bells time. Let's go racing, boys. One more time. I love that Sam. I need to put more gas in. You know what? Well, that's it for this video. Check y'all later. Sweet. Have fun this weekend. Nice.